Hello, welcome to Foodie Louie channel. Today I'm going to cook Tinolang Tahong or Mussels Stew. These are the mussels that I bought from Central Market. It is a high-end market in South Lake, Texas. When you buy seafoods or meat from any market, if they have free ice, ask for it to include it in the bag of meat so it will stay fresh until you reach your house. Remember, ice do melt, okay? The first thing we need to do is to clean the mussels. Rub the mussels together under running water. Soak the mussels in the water for an hour to release some dirt inside of the shell. You will see some beard of a mussel. To remove the beard from the mussel, grab it with your thumb and forefinger and pull it. Since our mussels are cleaned and prepared, let's prepare our garlic, fresh ginger, and white onion. Here are our ingredients: mussels or tahong, fish sauce, bok choy or if you have pechay, ginger, garlic, white onions. Let's start sautéing ginger with olive oil, then will be followed by garlic and onions. Once the onions are translucent, we'll add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. We can always adjust the saltiness later. We will then add in the mussels and saute all together. Cover the pot and we'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Add 6 cups of water and let it boil. The mussels are open and that means they are cooked. Let's stir and taste the stew. I think it needs more saltiness, so I'll be adding more fish sauce. Now the final touch. Let's add the bok choy and cover the pot and turn off the heat. Here is our Tinolang Tahong or Mussels Stew. And 3 cups of white rice please. If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Foodie.